Ravish, this is extremely unfortunate and very alarming if cough syrups are the reason why we are seeing these deaths taking place.
Aishwarya, as of now, the local administration hasn't received the report about the samples being sent to the center about the cough syrups. Although from 9 of these deceased kids, 6 have already traced with the history of Coldriff and Nextron cough syrup. The remaining 3 kids who were died later, their reports hasn't been received by the local administration because these deaths was reported in Nagpur because they have been sent to Nagpur after initial treatment in Chhindwara. Then because of their deteriorating health, those kids were sent to Nagpur and they have died there. So the local administration in Chhindwara is waiting for the reports from Nagpur. Then only they will confirm about the cough syrup history of these 3 deceased kids also. The irony is all these 9 deaths were reported from the Parasia block of Chhindwara district, and this Chhindwara district is a tribal dominated area. The local administration is suspecting that their family members, their parents, regularly they go to quacks or private doctors in the local available markets in these villages, and then after their deteriorating health, they have taken their kids to state government hospitals where their conditions were already critical, and this as of now this become a prominent reason because of these deaths. And now the local administration is only waiting for the final confirmation from center. Is this cough syrup is solely responsible for their death, because all these 9 kids were admitted to hospitals because of kidney infections.